Hello everyone, it's Recharger here and welcome to another 143 scale video. In today's video we have another from the Opel collection. This is the Opel Kadett A Coupe, made from 1962 till 1965. This one doesn't come with a background card, so I cannot tell you the specs of this car. And yeah, it is a bit loose there because it was a pain, a massive pain. As you can see, I was struggling to get this thing off the base because of that triangle screw, and yeah, still haven't gotten the screwdriver. I did buy a full set of like triangles, and none of them fit. So it was, I don't know what type of screwdriver even I need to get them off, but I need to figure this out as quick as possible because I know I'm going to be getting more of these cars in the future, and it's not going to get any easier until I get a screwdriver that I can put in that triangle. So yeah, let's get into this. So get that acrylic off. Let's get it off the base. That screw can go away. Plastic piece on the base that holds the car in its place on the base. Okay. So last time when I was filming the other Opel, the police car, I found out that the Ultra HD is very picky on how close I can film it and has a lot of focus issues and blah 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 blah. So I went back to full HD and 60 frames per second. So hopefully it's going to be better than the previous video. So as for this model, we have a fully lensed details for the front, except for the turning signals. Those are painted. Most of the stuff on the side is all painted also, except this very loose mirror that I don't want to touch anymore. The rear taillights are also lensed. Separate piece for the bumper. Here's the D for the base. It is plastic with hard rubber tires, which might have a rolling issue. I'm starting to notice because it's getting caught on something on this side. Fixed it or not, I don't know, but there's some kind of a, it's getting caught on something. I have no idea what. But yeah, then you have this gloss top, which I think it's supposed to be like vinyl, but it's not that of it. Oh, the mirror. I think I broke it. Okay, I'm not gonna touch it. I'm gonna fix it after the video. Because that thing is stupidly easily breakable. So yeah, very nice little car. The white walls could have been better. Those are not very well done. For a bigger scale, I think it would be easier for a bigger scale than harder to do. There's some interior for you, looking very nice. And yeah, let's have a roll test. Yeah, not gonna happen. The back, there's something getting caught on the back wheel. It's doing like it's like jumping a bit. Like if you push it down, it will roll, but on its own, not as much. I don't know, something is getting caught in the back. And like I said, I'm not fully sure what exactly. Yeah, I'm not fully sure, so I'm not gonna mess with that. So there you have it, guys. The little Opel Kadett. There's nothing much more I can say about it. It is a very cool little car. I'm a bit annoyed that the middle mirror is so easily breakable, but this is a pretty cheap model, around like 15 to 20 euros. So, well, you can get the IXO models from 20 to 25, so those are way better, but they're I'm not getting like offers on those as much. So I'm getting off good offers on these, so I'm just getting what I can. And I'm not purposely searching up for anything at this point. So there you have it, guys. Hope you liked the video. Leave a like if you did, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.